So today we're going to review what's called combining like terms. And I want to remind you that a like term means the same letter and the same exponent. So if you look at the example up above, we have our 9x and our negative 21x, and those are called like terms because they both have the letter x. So when we add those together, you get a negative 12x, and we just put plus 7y. Because we want to make sure we cannot put those two together because they don't have the same letter. So like terms are same letter, same exponent. Remember that if a letter does not have a number in front of it, it's just going to be the number 1. So all of these can have a number 1 in front of them. Okay, I'll do a couple examples here with you. I'll go ahead and look at number 6. Here on number 6, we are combining a negative, and that's a 1, negative 1e plus an 8e because they have the same letter and the same exponent. Negative 1 plus 8 is a positive 7e. And that's it. You can't go any further. Okay, let's look at another problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at... How about we look at, we'll take a look at 18. On number 18, we have to look and see what all is the same. Well, 4x, does any other term have an x with it? By itself, just an x, and the answer to that is no. Let's look at the y's. If I look at the y's, here's a y, and there's a y. So all three of those can be added together, and remember that's going to be a 1y. And last but not least, we have a 3, and it has an x and a y. So as we combine these, the only thing we can combine are all the 3 that are underlined in red. So 3 plus negative 5 would be a negative 2, plus 1 would be a negative 1, and we put the letter with it. It's the letter y. And then we just bring down our plus 4x. We cannot combine those. They're different letters. And bring down our plus 3xy. And we cannot combine that with anything because it has an x and a y, and there's no other term that has an x and a y. So when you combine like terms, you can only add or subtract if they have the exact same letter, the same exponent. Complete 5 problems and turn it in.